survive. He said, oh my dear, listen here. And this is what he cried. On my feet I wear two shoes for dancing, dancing to be free. On my feet they're paying tribute to the Bobby Marley legacy. On my knees they got some cuts and bruises from my skating all my days. Cause when I'm skating with my friends, my troubles drift away. I say my legs, they're wearing baggy pants. I like to move around cause getting down and jumping out, these are some good things that I found.
Bushrock the empire be rising. Bushrock the magpies from loving. Bushrock the breeding and running. Bushrock got three shoes for dancing.
No, hem explicat una miqueta tota la part d'opcions per anar a estudiar a l'estranger, possibilitats, bueno, primer, coses a tenir en compte, com escollim un país, per què anar a estudiar a l'estranger, per què és important, i llavors una miqueta resum d'algunes de les beques per anar a estudiar a l'estranger. Pensem que hi ha molts tipus de programes que donava per tant, però sí, les coses principals sobre els estudis a l'estranger.
I am a man that no institutions can knock down, and around my neck is superstition hanging from a chain. Because I got my gods, but in the end I make my own way.
Bushrock